Assalamualikum OyaRahmatullahe OyaBarakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA CLASSROOM. Now let's start today's video tutorial. In previous classes we have discussed what is risk and what is a return. Today we will try to understand a return by simple examples, very simple example to understand what is a return. So you will see here as an example, Robin wishes to determine the return on 2 stocks that she won during 2009 Apple Incorporation and Walmart's. At the beginning of the year, Apple stock traded for 90.75 and Walmart was valued 55.3. So here we will see year is our 2009. That is our year. One has the Walmart, another has the Apple Incorporation. So you see, at the beginning of the year, that means beginning of 2009, Apple traded 90.75. Beginning of the year 90.75. Beginning of the year. Then beginning of the 2009, Walmart value 55.33. 55.33. During the year, Apple paid no dividend, so it has no dividend. But Walmart shareholders receive 1.9 taka dividend per share. 1.9 taka 1.09 taka dividend during the period. That means in the beginning of 2009 to end of the 2009, Walmart shareholders receive 1.9 taka as their dividend. At the end of the year, Apple stock worth was 210.73. Apple stock trade for 210.73 at the end of the period. End of the period. Walmart sold for 52.84. 52.84. So there is our data. Now from this data we have to calculate the return. So at first we will calculate Walmart's return. Walmart's. So we know the formula for return. RT equal to CT plus PT minus PT minus 1 divided by pt minus 1. We know the formula very well from our previous class. We have discussed this formula very well. If we put down the value, then it is easy for us to calculate the return. CT, cash received during the period. So this is the 2009's data. This is the total year's duration. That is the beginning and that is the end of the period. So cash received during the period, it received 1.09 taka as a dividend. 1.09 taka as a dividend. Plus PT. PT means present price. Present price. So that means whenever that is the end of the 2009 means it is the beginning of 2010. So that is the present 52.84. 52.84 minus PT minus 1, that means previous price 55.33. 55.33 divided by 55.33. Then what will be our return? Then if you calculate this return, then it is easily understandable what will be our return. Simply 1.09 plus 52.84 minus 55.33 divided by 55.33 into 100. So our result shows that 2 minus 2.53% at the end of the year. Walmart's stocks return is negative. So we can show the result from our examples, minus 2.5%. So that is our result. That is our calculated result. Now we will see for the Apple Incorporation's return. So we need not to write down this formula twice because it is hard for me, so don't mind please. You have to write down the formula in the exam, obviously. That's why I am starting from second line. So during the year, Apple Incorporation has paid no dividend. That means start from 0 plus end of the period 2009, it is sold 210.75 210.75. At the beginning of the period, it is selling 90.75 90.75 divided by 90.75. Then if we calculate this, what will happen? 210.75 minus 90.75 divided by 90.75 into 100. here shows 132.23%. That means Abilene Corporations shows the return 132.23% during the year, whereas Walmart returns negative 2.53%. So we are seeing the examples 132.2%, 132.23%. So that is our result. So in this way we can calculate the return from our investment in our day to day life. So this formula actually our practical life's formula, how we can calculate a return from our investment. So that is the practical examples that we are try to make you understand by using this formula, how to calculate return from your investment from your farm. So here is the way to calculate return from your investment. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.